Hello, this is Bill with moneyforcoffee.com. In this video, you'll learn how to create thank you page in System.io. Okay, the good thing about System.io, it's totally free. You don't need a credit card. You don't need any kind of payment. And it's not a trial. It's just completely free. You get up to, I believe it's 3 funnels and 2,000 subscribers. You can upgrade after that, and they also have more features and options if you'd like down the road. But it's completely free to get started, and you can keep your free account as long as you'd like. Okay, so let's get started. Underneath the video, I have a link where you can get your System.io for free. Like I said, I'll just have a link right below this video. So you just click on the link below the video, and it'll take you to System.io. I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in. Okay, just sign in. Okay, it takes you to this page. It's the dashboard. All right, now I've seen it a couple different ways where it can just have a menu and you just click on it, and then you just go to funnels. But I've also seen it where up here in the header, whatever you want to call this toolbar, it'll have all this stuff listed out. So either way, and just click on funnels. Okay, so we're going to create a funnel. So once you're on this page, you just go up here in the right hand corner and you click create. So right here, create. Okay, you just name your funnel. And this is just for yourself, so just whatever you want. Okay, and then down here you have different choices. So you could build an audience if you're selling something, or if you want to do a custom, or if you want to run an evergreen webinar. But we're just going to build an audience, since we're just doing this to create a thank you page in System.io. So just hit create, build an audience. Like I said, first we named our funnel, whatever you want. And then get down here and just click on build an audience. And then you get down to the bottom. I don't know if this really matters. I don't think it does, but I don't know. It's just for currency. I think this only matters if you're selling something, and we're not selling something with this. So US dollar, and just hit save. Whatever your currency would be. Okay, so now we see the funnel we created right here. Okay, so you just click on it. Okay. Now, with me, I've already created some funnels. So I have a squeeze page and a thank you already listed here. If this is your first time, you're not going to have these. So I'll just delete them just to show you. If they're already in here, you can just click on them, and then you can just go from there. But if this is your first time, I'm just going to show you, you wouldn't have those. So you just click on this left-hand side, add step. Just click on it. Okay. Now you name it, and we're just going to name it opt-in, whatever you want. This doesn't matter either. And then type. Now what is this? Okay, before we create the thank you page, we'll create the squeeze page. So you just hit, and you have some other options, but we're just going to create the squeeze page. And then you hit save. Okay, now if you look over here on the left, we have the squeeze page. Now you can click from any of these templates, and if you scroll through here, and these all are included for free, which is nice. Okay, I just wanted to show you real quick. There's quite a few of them. All right, we'll just, and this video isn't about setting up an opt-in page, but I'll just show you real quick, just a quick overview of what it looks like. Okay, and then you can also name this with a URL path. I think it's a good idea to name it because it looks kind of weird, just letters and random letters and numbers. So you can name it whatever you want, something related to your niche, or like free gift, free bonus, whatever. And then go over here, and this green, just click. It looks like a floppy disk, and it says save funnel. Just click that. Okay, it saved it. And then you come back over here, and there's a little, it looks like, I think it's a wand. I don't really know what this is, but it looks like a wand, and that'll say edit page. You click on that. Okay, and then you can, this is the opt-in page, And you can go through here and change whatever you want. All you do is just click on this. And then you can change this to say whatever you want. It's pretty easy. Or you can highlight all this and go right here and change the color. You can see how easy that is. We can add a link in here. So it's pretty easy. And that's pretty much it. This is just, like I said, just click on this. And you can play around with this. You can change the font size. You can see how easy this is to do. And I've tried other page builders and different systems. And they weren't quite as responsive as this. This seems to work really well. I've had no problems with this freezing up. Or I had one where you, like say right here, it wouldn't let me put a space in. Just stupid things like that. But this in System IO seems to work well. Okay, so and then you can also click on that on the book and go over and you can change this, and you just have to go to this, click on it, and then there's a little setting little wheel right here. You just click on that, and then you can go over, and if you have a different picture, you just click on this, and then you can upload a different picture from your computer, or if you have some in your images you want to use. So that's pretty easy. Okay, so we're done with that. And oh, I must forget to show you guys. Check this out. This is really cool. All right, you can delete this stuff. Like we'll delete this up here. Okay, because we don't need any of this. Okay, now let's just say, okay, delete. Oh, I didn't want to delete that. Oh crap. No problem. You just go over here to the left, right by the System IO logo, and hit undo. It's the arrow that goes to the left. And there you go, it's back. So that's really cool, because I did that the first time I did that. I was like, oh no, now I got to redo this whole thing. But then I figured that out, so that's a real nice little easy tip to use. Hit Save Changes, and that's just right up here. Just come up, Save Changes. And then you go over here and you exit. Okay, so we're done with that step. Now add another step. Okay, we'll call this whatever you want. And then get down to the type. And this is going to be opt-in thank you page. Just whatever. If you use something different, you could pick that. But we're going to use opt-in thank you page. So just click that, select it, and then get down and hit save. Okay, now we're back to the templates, but these are the thank you templates. So you just scroll through here. And also, guys, later in the video, I'll explain more about it, but I'm going to have a free gift for you guys where I'm going to have, well, I'll talk about it later in the video. But anyway, okay, so you go to thank you, and then we'll select this one. You can pick from any of these. Anything you like, it doesn't matter. Hit select. Okay, you can change this path. Free gift. Like I said, it looks better than just the numbers and random letters. And then you hit save. I always just do that at that point. Then you go back to the wand. So once you start doing this, it gets easier. Hit the wand. Okay, now you can just go through here. Okay, you just select any of this, like this font. Hover over it, go over and hit the gear. And then here's the color. But you have to highlight this first. Like, let me see if I can do it. Okay. And boom. So you can highlight that. You can change this to whatever you want. Just type it right in. Okay. And then you can also delete this stuff. Like, this is a menu. You wouldn't need this. So you hit okay. You wouldn't need the logo. You can just delete it. Okay. And then we'll just delete this whole thing. Okay. Now check this out. I'll show you this one more time. Alright, say I deleted this book image by accident. Oh crap. Now I have to start all over again. No, you don't. Just go over here, right by the System IO logo, hit undo. And boom, you're back. So you can click on this logo. Just click on it, hit the gear. and you can use any. Just click on this over here, and you can click on any. You can download another file if you have another ebook you want to use, or whatever. It's pretty easy. Your own images. Okay. And let me see what else. Oh, the download now. You can have them where they click on this and they go right to, let's see here. Click on this, hover, hit the little gear. You can have them download a file, just whatever you want it to be, an ebook, whatever. You know, it was a list or whatever you want. Your files, or you can upload it from your computer. So that's pretty easy. Or you can hit open URL and just type in a URL, and you can have them go to a download page on your blog or wherever else you want to take them. And then you can also set it up so you can email it to them, which it says in here. So, okay, and then we come down here. I'll show you guys this. We don't need this, so we'll just delete it. We don't need this. Delete it. Okay, so see, we got a nice basic thank you page. So once they opt in, they'll get this nice thank you page that'll either have a download now, or they can download the ebook now, or they can be redirected to your blog to download it there, or whatever you want. You can put anything else in here you want. Let me show you guys. Like you can add text. So you can add text here. So you could add, if you wanted to put a link to a product, or you know, anything you want. It's easy to put a link in. I'll show you guys. Let me see here. And you would just click on this link. Then you can put an affiliate link or just anything else you wanted. So it's pretty easy to use once you start playing with it. Like I said, you can change the color, you can change the design, you can change the template. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. And also I wanted to mention, like I said, if you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe. That way you can also use this as a reference in the future. You can find it under your liked videos. And also I got a free gift for you. I have a 20-page, and I have screenshots of all this in case you just want to follow along. It's highlighted, and I show you where to click and what to do each step by step for how to create thank you page in System.io. So I have made just like a little cheat sheet, and that'll be right beneath the video. The same place where you can sign up for System.io to get your free, to get it for free. Like I said, there's no credit card, no trial. But so yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'll be making some more videos on different things like this, and also as well as I'll be making some more with System.io. All right, guys, take care, and thanks a lot.